Hello everybody. In this tutorial video, I am going to be teaching you how to sculpt a mouth out of clay. The first thing we're going to want to do is score and slip a small coil onto a disc of clay. Remember, it's really good to trace the things that you're going to score and slip so you know exactly where to score. The next thing that you're going to want to do is push down the edges of the coil. This creates the curve of the face. You can see here that our lips are not flat from side to side. They do curve around the face, and that's what we just created. Next, we're going to push down the top of the coil. This creates the slope at the top of our lip. Please notice that I push down about 3/4 of that clay coil. By doing this, we are creating the fatty portion above our top lip. This makes sure that your lips that you are creating do not look like duck lips. Next, we are going to gently push up on the bottom edge of that coil. What that does is define that top lip. At this point, you can start to refine the shape of the top lip. You can create the Cupid's bow or any other details you would like to include. Now I'd like to show you a few images. These images show the profile view of your lips. You will notice that the top lip slopes down into your mouth, and that's what we just created. Now we are going to score and slip another small coil. You can play around with the size of this coil in proportion to the top lip. Now we are going to push down the edges of the bottom lip. Do not push down as much as you did for the top lip. Next, push down on the bottom of the coil. You're going to want to push down a little less clay than you did for the top lip. The bottom lip typically sticks out a little bit more than the top one. After you've done that, you can refine the shape as needed. Now that you have the basic structure complete, you can play with creating different emotions. If you take the edges of the mouth and carefully curve them up, it will give a more smiling look to the mouth. In contrast, if you take those lines and you slope them down, you can make them look a little bit more sad. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun.